Bring it right beside, and we're gonna have a nicest truck award right beside everybody.
Yeah, nice parking job.
Okay. So the way we're gonna do the nice truck award today, one person at a time is gonna grab one truck and bring it up one car length. So pick one truck, bring it up one car length. The truck that's gonna be the farthest up is gonna be the winner. Okay, so go ahead. Bring it up one car length. Okay, next guy, bring it up one car length. Somebody else, just grab a truck and bring it up. Okay, bring it up, next guy.
I'm gonna break the mold.
One car length. There you go. Okay, next person. Anybody? There's a lot of people that still didn't vote. Just one. Okay, who didn't vote? Come on, go vote. Line up.
By far.
Good job. Everybody vote?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna vote too. Wait. Okay, so I think it's a pretty close race of the nicest truck award. And we got a little scale plaque for him. Here's the plaque. If you guys want to see it, it's got a little guy that got a thumbs up and says nice truck. So we'll put it up right here on top. And she's got the nice truck award. Come and pick up your truck. Come pick up your truck.
Let's go see. Congratulations.
Yay! That's a nice little truck. Good job.